This video will show you how to quickly and easily and efficiently get your truss totems up at your events. That's a single plate right there. It's a 30 by 30 inch. They're about, I think, 40 pounds. Putting on some double cheeses on the top section of the truss that we're using. Prepared for a single pipe. Aluminium. This is a 4-foot section, or just under 4 feet. Installing the 12-inch box truss onto the plate. That's a double plate that we're using there, so it's about 83 pounds. We're going to pin them in. Bing, bing, bing. Bing, 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 bing. Get it. Bing, 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 bang, bang. Safety clips. Some sandbags to counterbalance the operation that's about to go down right now. Lower the truss using one of your moving head cases as a support. Prepping the movers to hang, adding AC cable. So run down the AC right down the center, drop it down nice and quick and easy. You can tape this up when you're done. And here's the movers. They've got the quick and handy, easy Omega clamps. Do have to use a tool every now and then to get that last little extra quarter-inch of If these do not click all the way, they will fall from whatever you're hanging from. Just that little bit of movement, they will loosen up, so make sure they are nice and tight. I have pulled these down after shows, and 2 of the clips were completely loose. Safety cables are installed for extra added safety. This will wrap around the truss that the fixtures are being attached to. The clamps that are used on these fixtures can support over 175 pounds apiece. Let it swing, make sure that it's gonna swing. You don't want to tighten it down too far just yet. PowerCon connectors into the stinger box as shown. So these are the Donner series wireless DMX transmitter and receiver products. These are battery powered, but I always plug them in just to be on the safe side. You never know how long batteries will actually last. So here we are, we can raise this completed truss with 2 moving heads, single person application. Ta-da! Climb up the truss, or use a ladder if you're more comfortable with that, and tighten down the movers. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Rex Productions.